Hey everybody, I'm Mike with Omega Survival, and this is my video response for Bristol Prepper's 200 sub giveaway. And he wants to see a bushcraft kit, so I put my bushcraft kit together. The normal items I usually use when I'm going in the bush. I think he was looking for a 2 to 3 day trip out in the bush, and I put together the things that I use most. So I hope you all enjoy the video. Let me focus my camera in and show you all my bush kit. First of all, it's in a big backpack, because I think if you're going into the woods you need something roomy, because a lot of the tools you use are large. So this is an enormous backpack. It's a rush. It's a 511 Rush Tactical 72, which stands for 72-hour backpack. I did a review of this. I don't want to get too into the bag. I just want to show you the contents of it. This probably weighs 45 pounds. Let's start with the simple stuff in the front. I take a Bark River Bravo 2 and A2 tool steel. I take that with me all the time. Almost every time I'm out in the woods. I actually think I'm going to put the pack aside and take things out of it one by one, because I'm going to need room on my table. A Wetterlings Hunter's Hatchet number 115. Now, when I got this, first of all, this is an excellent hatchet. It's hickory. And when I first got this, the patina came down to about here on it, and I put it on a benchtop belt sander and took it back further myself and polished it so I can get a deeper bite, and it has a wicked edge on it. And that's the axe I bring with me. My cookware. It's a Stanley cook pot that I got in Walmart. It was like 15 bucks. Works great. Stainless steel water bottle. Let's see what I got here. Kibum Expedition mini organizer. There's my first aid kit. It's got medications, allergy pills, Tylenol, stuff like that. I keep Advil. Hemostats and medical shears, tweezers, hand warmers for winter or hypothermia, rubbing alcohol with tape, very strong Gorilla-like tape around it. And keep these little disposable toothbrushes from Scope. I just like them. I keep a pen, alcohol swabs, lots of band-aids, and that's pretty much it. It's a basic first aid kit. I usually keep it right in the front so I can grab it right away. I've got a miscellaneous toolkit that I just keep a Spyderco Paramilitary 2 razor sharp in the front, just to have a pocket knife with me at all times. As soon as I get out to the woods, I put all my knives on me. I strap my Bravo 2 from Bark River on my side, and this goes in my pocket right away. It's a water filter. And I got another 511 Tactical t-shirt on. I have quite a few of them. 2 different colors. I keep a repair kit in here to Kevlar thread. Different kinds of tape. A pen. My little SC tin, it's a sewing tin. I keep my canvas needles in there. Just an extra wet fire, ferro rod, striker and fish hook, and patches. With Kevlar thread that I keep in here. Some more medical tape. I keep a couple of them in different places. This is an awesome knife. It's a Bark River Bushcrafter in CPM 3V steel. This is an incredible knife. That's my Bushcraft knife. It stays on my side too. SAS Survival pocket guide with me, just to have some kind of entertainment, something to read, emergency. A couple of them, in case I gotta boost my immune system up a little bit. Regular bandana. I keep an ace bandage. I'd say I got about 80 feet of true mil-spec paracord. I keep a military compass. I don't really use that too much because I know the woods in this area really well. I got chunks of wax impregnated with cotton balls. And there was one more thing. I have it in another pack, but I usually keep it in my Bushcraft pack. I keep dry chunks of solid fet wood. In case it's wet, I gotta get a fire going. That works every time. I don't know why I have a marker in there, but I do. Just one of them extras is a drink pouch with tea, instant coffee, creamer, sugar, some hand soap. And that's the front pouch. I got everything on the top. Alright, let's get into the main pouch now. It's a big bag. Here's a shelter kit. It just has a micro tarp. I believe that's like a 8x8. Sorry, I believe that's like an 8x8 micro tarp, and a couple lobs of paracord, and I keep various different kinds of carabiners and clips in here, night eyes. These night eye clips for paracord so you could cinch them without tying knots. I keep a couple of these clips in there, and a couple of these night eyes clips just for shelter building. Bark River Parang. This thing's a beast. This thing does pretty much everything my axe does. I actually think this chops deeper. It's a heavy piece of steel. I keep various items in here. It's just an expedition organizer. I keep, if you could see it, I keep repair glue, vinyl, fabric and plastic repair glue, more Advil, a glow stick. I keep some 3M pads fresh in the back, cut up in little squares in case I gotta clean something up. I have another bandana. They're good for filtering water out. I have a extra wallet in here. I like to keep 20 or 50 bucks in. Gorilla tape on the go. There's another little fire kit. Just Vaseline, cotton balls, and chalk cloth in the bottom. stormproof matches. And wet ones. Everybody that spends time outdoors knows how important these are. And another hunk of paracord, probably 40 feet. A high-powered magnifying glass. Actually, I think it was a jeweler's glass or something. I'm not sure, but it's very high-powered, and you can set it up so it sits on its own. Keep a Lansky field sharpener, double-sided. That's a lot of my miscellaneous odds and ends. Here's my big pouch, spec ops pouch, that I keep some of my bigger miscellaneous items in, like gear nuts, fire tool. There's another ferro rod in there, a brand new lighter. I have an SE Isola survival kit wallet. I keep a paracord bracelet that I put on me when I go out. A 360 lumen Coast flashlight with 2 extra sets of batteries for it. Brand new. This is my Leatherman Wave that I don't ever use. I keep this nice and sharp in case the time comes I do need to use it. Here's my monster ferro rod. It's my biggest one. It's 1/2 inch by 5 inches. I like starting fires with ferro rods. I keep this ferro rod with me all the time, which I make. It's a solid fat wood handle, and it's got about 3.5 feet of 550 cord on there in case I gotta make a bow drill. Keep that in there. Another hunk of paracord, 30-40 feet, I'm not sure, but I have lots of it. Here's my saw, my hand saw. It's a Wicked Tree Gear saw. These are excellent. They have lifetime warranties. It's way more aggressive than a Baco Laplander. The handle has a lifetime warranty and the blades are changeable. I've done a review on this. It cuts green wood or dry wood just as easily. It's very aggressive and very sharp. This is a USMC Marpat wet weather tarp. It also clips shut, and you could use it as a sleeping bag. It's equivalent to probably a snug pack jungle bag, but it's pretty big. It's I'd say 8 by 8 feet, and it's very heavy duty. Keep that with me. Clothes are important. I have specific clothes that I use only when I'm going in the bush. My Salomon boots for the summertime. My Salomon hikers. They're completely waterproof Gore-Tex. My Fjallraven t-shirt. Fjallraven Barron's Pro trousers. These are made for outdoor use, and I've done a review on them. And I use these most of the time. I'm in the bush doing bushcraft stuff for an extended period of time because they're water resistant, windproof. I keep a coat. It's just a North Face Apex Bionic jacket. It's pretty nice. It's got a fleece lining and it's waterproof and windproof on the outside. Okay, and Outdoor Research technical fleece. It's a windproof fleece that I use inside of that, and it keeps me good and warm. And that's pretty much it. I'm at the bottom of the bag. I also keep a spare set of socks and underwear in my bag, but I don't think anyone wants to see that. I also keep room in my bag for food You have to have food with you, water. I'm a smoker, so I keep a few packs of cigarettes with me. Depending on how long I'm going to be in the bush, I take prescription medication that I'm supposed to take on a daily basis. You know, you have to think of stuff like that because that's important too. But everything I just shown is pretty much my basic bushcraft kit, and this was my video response for Bristol Preppers 200 sub giveaway contest, and I hope you all enjoyed my video. And I'm Mike with Omega Survival. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you for watching. Until next time. This is my bushcraft kit.